September is Life Insurance Awareness Month, and this is part one of the 7 deadly sins of term life insurance. Hello, my name is Bruce Henderson, and I'm licensed by the states of Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, and the District of Columbia to sell and provide professional guidance to individuals that need or who are seeking life insurance protection. Today, American consumers are constantly being bombarded with offers for term life insurance. The U.S. mail, television, radio, and of course, the internet. Do you know what to look for when selecting a term life insurance plan? The reason I'm asking you this is because the selection of the wrong type of term life insurance plan can be disastrous and have disastrous impact to you and your family. Imagine you've just been told that you have cancer and that you've been told that you have 2 years left to live. And then when you check out your term life insurance policy, they tell you that your 10-year term plan that you've been paying for 9.5 years ends in 6 months. When you ask how much will it cost to renew for the next 10 years, they tell you that they won't be able to write your insurance anymore because you have cancer. Then you call around and you find out that no one will sell you insurance anymore because you're sick. Very sick. I don't know about you, but if I was just told this, I'd be extremely, extremely upset. I'd be furious. How could $1 billion insurance company be so heartless and throw my family, the needs of my family, and my finances away like that after I've been loyal to them for so many years? What do I do now? I have 2 kids, a wife, a mortgage, and all the bills that go along with raising a family. And I've just been told by $1 billion insurance company that I can't provide for my family just when I need them most. Well, unfortunately, there's not a whole lot you can do about the situation except hope you win the lottery or you have a wealthy family member, and I don't know about you, but that's not in the cards for most of us. In fact, you have a better chance of being struck by lightning than winning the lottery. Not a real good move for the future of your family, is it? Why am I telling you this story? Well, unfortunately, I recently received a call from a frantic caller looking to get some term life insurance that was in this exact situation. I wish I could say that this call was uncommon, but these type of horrible situations happen more often than they need to because people just don't have the information. They're worried about price. What's the cheapest? What can I afford? And the real answer is you can't afford not to get the information so that you make an intelligent decision. And because of that, I vowed I would never allow this to happen to any of my clients, any of my customers, not if I could help it anyway. So that's the purpose for this message, to educate you so that you can make better decisions. Please do not just make decisions based on price. And before I continue, let me ask you this. Have you ever thought about why auto insurance, home insurance, and even renter's insurance in many states is the law? You have to get it, but not life insurance. Give that some thought, and we'll talk more about that in later segments. So, what's the right kind of life insurance to get? Well, that depends a lot on your situation, how much coverage you need, and for how long you need the coverage. It also depends on what you're buying the coverage for. Is it for a mortgage on a home loan, or a car loan, or for your children's educational fund protection? It's very important to tailor your term life needs to the situation. A qualified financial advisor will make sure that you have the correct term life insurance. There are many different types of term insurance policies out there on the market today. Following are the 7 deadly sins of term life insurance. and why they're so vitally important to you, your financial health, and how to avoid falling into the different term life insurance traps that exist out here today. Deadly sin number one, conversion. Deadly sin number one, no or limited time to convert to other policy types. Conversion is very important. Term life insurance generally offers an exchange, or what's called a conversion option, to another life insurance policy. For example, if you want to exchange your 10-year term plan for a whole life plan with the company that you bought the term life plan from, you can without having to prove evidence of good health. This is something to watch for when applying for cut rate term life insurance coverage. You know, the ones that you get all the time, promoting the fact that they're cheap. Many insurance companies that offer mortgage protection through the mortgage company offer no exchange option at all. Not a good option for folks that are going to be refinancing. For term life plans purchased through an insurance company, whether it be bought through an agent, the internet, your bank, trade union, or some 1-800 number, there generally is an option for conversion. But here again, however, not all conversion options are created equal. For example, let's say you obtained a 10-year term policy. Some companies will allow you to convert at any time during the 10-year term, and some other companies may allow you 5 years from the initial policy date to make a change. The best companies will allow you to exchange to another policy anytime during the length of your term. The Spillman-Henderson Allstate Agency provides a term life product that provides conversion anytime during the life of its term insurance protection product. For more information on term conversions, please feel free to call me, Bruce Henderson, at the Spillman-Henderson Agency, 301-599-2000. We're here to help.